Hey guys, let's see how to apply the Hostinger coupon code using the link. No code typing needed. To start getting the absolute best price on powerful and reliable web hosting, perfect for starting a blog, a portfolio, or an online business, you need to click the Hostinger coupon code link in this video description. This link will take you directly to the Hostinger website and automatically apply the maximum discount. By clicking the link in the description, you secure an extra 20% off on all types of hosting that Hostinger offers. Plus, clicking the link ensures you unlock essential benefits like a free domain for the first year, free SSL certificates, and expert 24/7 customer service right after your purchase. For this video, I am choosing the premium web hosting plan, which is their most popular option. This is the one currently priced at around 139 rupees per month. Now, you can see the discount you will get from Hostinger's current sale. But this is not the final offer. Because you clicked the link in the description, you will get an extra 20% discount on top of the sale price. Without the link, you only get the standard Hostinger sale discount, so don't forget to click the link. Next, scroll down and look for the web hosting section. There are 4 plans to choose from, and we are selecting the popular premium web hosting, priced at around 139 rupees per month. Click the Choose Plan button for that option. The next step is the order summary page. Here, you need to choose the billing period. The billing period is the most important part. Hostinger does not offer the discount for your renewal, so choose the longest available billing period, which is typically 48 months, to maximize your initial savings and save the most money. Next, in the order summary, you will see not only the discounted price, but also that you get 3 extra months of hosting completely free. And of course, you can see the referral discount 20%. This is proof my link is working automatically for you. That 20% discount alone should show you have instantly saved a huge amount on your 4-year purchase. Now, hit the continue button. Use a fresh email only and set a strong password. Once done, you will be redirected to the payment page. Complete your payment. You will receive an email confirmation, and that's it. You have claimed the Hostinger deal with the Hostinger coupon code link. It is very simple in just 2 minutes of work. Enjoy your new premium web hosting plan with your significant savings, free domain, 3 months free hosting, and included 24/7 expert customer service. Bye.